Check out this 1970 Oldsmobile Cutlass S. It is so original. Only 41, almost 42,000 original miles. You can see the body is in excellent condition. Original vinyl top. It is a factory green car. Everything's original. All the chrome's original. You know, showing some minor wear, but if you're looking for an original car, this is it. One repaint probably 20 years ago. Runs and drives great. It's a 350, power steering, power brakes, factory air that works. I just drove it down here to take the pictures and the video. The car runs and drives amazing. Look at the interior. Untouched, original. Unbelievable. Again, 42, just under 42,000 original miles. Original radio. Dash is excellent. Check us out, HollywoodMotorsUSA.com. Again, factory AC Cutlass S.